The Light Path residence, designed by Bohlin Cywinski Jackson, exemplifies a thoughtful approach to residential architecture, where nature, well-being, and flexibility converge. Nestled in the tranquil surroundings of Waverly, Pennsylvania, this single-level home is crafted to accommodate the evolving needs of its residents, emphasizing accessibility and comfort. Expansive windows, a central skylight, and sliding glass doors create an airy atmosphere filled with natural light, while sustainable, locally sourced materials anchor the home to its environment. The design fosters a strong connection to the outdoors, promoting healthy living and offering a serene sanctuary for its inhabitants.